Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have learned about the classification of living organism, basis for classification, binomial nomenclature, and invertebrata. Invertebrates include phylum Porifera, coelentrates, phylum Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelid, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, and finally Hemichordata. Let us talk about the chordate. Chordata divided into two groups, Prochordata and Vertebrata. Pro means primitive form of the chordate. Chordates are characterized by the presence of notochord, dorsal nerve cord, and a paired gill pouches. Notochord is the long rod-like support along the backbone of animals. It is separating the gut and nerve tissues. All the chordates are triploplastic. You know that triploplastic, the organism have three membranes, ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. And coelomate animals, true cavity present in the organism. Prochordate considered as the forerunner of vertebrates. Forerunner in Tamil terms, munnodigal. It's a primitive form of the vertebrates. Based on the nature of the notochord, prochordate is divided into subphylum Urochordata and Cephalochordata. Urochordata, the notochord present only in the tail region in the free living larva. In adult stage, it mostly degenerate and they leads the sessile forms. The body is covered with tunic or test, example ascidian. Cephalochordates are small fish-like marine chordate with unpaired dorsal fins. The notochord extends throughout the entire length of the body. Example, Amphiaxis. Vertebrata. This group is characterized by the presence of vertebral column or the backbone. Backbone present in all organisms. The notochord is an embryonic stage get replaced by the vertebral column which form the chief skeletal axis of the body. The vertebrates are grouped into 6 classes. During my school days, it includes only 5 classes. Now, a new class is added called Cyclostomata. Cyclostomata is a jawless vertebrate, mouth not founded by the jaws. It's look like a fish. So it is arranged in the first. The body is elongated and eel-like. They have a circular mouth and skin is slimy and scaleless. They are ectoparasite of fishes. Ecto means the outside. Outside living in all fishes. Example, hagfish. Next one, fishes. It's a bichloothermic, cold-blooded. Cold-blooded, the organism does not change their body temperature. It includes warm-blooded, but it changes depend upon the environment. So it is called a cold-blooded bichloothermic. Change their body temperature depend upon the environment. The streamlined body is divided into head, trunk, and tail. Can you see the both edges are sharp and it pierces the water and move forward. Locomotion is by paired and median fins. The body is covered with scales, respiration through gills. The heart is two chambered, one auricle and one ventricle. There are two main type of fishes. One is the cartilaginous fishes. Cartilaginous fish is a soft soft bones with a skeleton made of cartilaginous, example shark scales. Second one, bony fishes with a skeleton made of bones, example corpse and mullet. This is an example for Cyclostomata lamprey. Mouth not bounded by jaws. Body is elongated. Bony fish, example shark. More to know, the smallest vertebrate, Philippine hobby dwarf pygmy hobby is the tropical species fish found in brackish water and mangrove areas in Southeast Asia, measuring only 10 millimeter in length. Class Amphibia. Amphi means both bios life, both living, land and water. It made a dual adaptations. Four-legged tetrapod. Tetra means four, board, leg. Tetrapod. The body is divided into head and trunk. The skin is moist and have a mucus gland. Respiration through gills, lungs, skin and back of pharynx. The heart is three-chambered, two auricle and one ventricle. Eggs are laid in water, oviparous. The tadpole is tadpole larva that transform into adult. Example frog and toads. Do you know the Chinese giant salamander Antios davidians is the largest amphibian in the world. Its length is about 5 feet and 11 inches. Its weight about 65 kg, found in Central and South Asia. China. Reptilia, repri to gravel or greep. Can you see the domestic lizards? It's gravel on the wall. These vertebrates are fully adapted to life on land. The body is covered with horny epidermal scales. Their body is covered with horny epidermal scales on the skin. Respiration through lungs. The heart is three-chambered. With the exception, the crocodile have four-chambered heart. Most of the reptiles lay their egg with tough outer cells. Example calotus, lizard, snake and tortoise. See the calotus, the horny epidermal scales present on the outermost skin layer, outer part. Aves. Aves bird. The birds are homeothermic, warm-blooded. The organisms cannot change their body temperature depend upon the environment. The animals with several adaptations to fly. The spindle or boat-shaped body is divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail. The body is covered with feathers. Four limbs are modified into wings for flight. The hind limbs are adapted for walking, posing and swimming. The respiration through lungs which have air sacs. Bones are filled with air. pneumatic bones. It's a hollow bones, only filled with air. So they easily to fly in the sky, which reduce the body weight. They lay large yolk-laden eggs. They are covered by hard calcareous shell. Example: parrot, crow, eagle, pigeon, ostrich. Pigeon. So example for aves. The body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. The four wings are modified into wings. Hind legs is modified to walking, posing and swimming. More to know, the state bird of Tamil Nadu, common emerald dove, Maragadapura, Chalcopans indica. The last class, Mammalia, mamma breast. Mammals are warm-blooded. The skin is covered with hairs. It also bears a sweat and sebaceous oil gland. Oil gland present on the skin. It keep our skin moisture. The body is divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail. Females have mammary gland which secrete milk for feeding the young ones. The external ear or pinna is present. The heart is four-chambered. They breathe through the lungs, except egg-laying mammals, platypus, spiny anteater. All other mammals give birth to their young ones. That is a viviparous. Placenta is a unique characters, features of mammals. Example: rat, a rabbit, man. See the rabbit. So example for Mammalia. The body is divisible into head, neck, trunk, tail. The external ear or pinna. More to know, the gigantic blue whale, which is 35 meters long and 120 tons in weight. The biggest vertebrate animals. I give some questions here. Students, you should learn the questions and write the home test. Get your parents' signature. Thank you, students.